folks, this is Aditya Jha from InspiredToRise.com, and today we have the LG G Watch here with us for a hands-on and a preview. The LG G Watch that we have here with us is a part of the Android Wear program, and like the Moto 360 watch, it is also one of the few watches that support the Android Wear platform, and it's a great looking watch. And some of the key specs of this watch are that it has a 1.3-inch full circle POLED display, which is which measures 320 into 320 pixels, and it has a 246 pixel per inch screen resolution and a 33 millimeter screen diameter. And as you can see, it has some custom features in it. For example, it has a heart rate monitor, and as you can see my heart rate right now, it is showing it to be 167 170 beats per minute. It is gradually slowing down, but it is too much on the higher side. And while we ran the tests up in other conditions, we found it to be around more accurate, around 70 to 80 beats per minute, but this is too high around this time. And the watch has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 chipset, which is quad-core 1.2 GHz Cortex A7 CPU, and it has a 512 MB RAM and 4 GB internal storage, out of which only 3 gigabytes are available to the users. It has a 410 milliampere hour lithium-ion battery, which can easily last up to 2 days of usage under very moderate usage conditions. And the watch has a leather strap, and which is changeable. It weighs 62 grams, is not too heavy. You can easily change the font size which is available on the watch. You can easily change the dialer. As you can see right now, you can easily change the style of the dialer that you have on the watch. So you can change it to anything that you like to have a custom look and feel, and you can check all your notifications from the phone on the watch itself, and you can send those actions to the phone. For example, you can use the OK Google functionality and use other things also on the watch, so that it can be easily integrated with your phone. And it has a Bluetooth 4.0 version in it, through which it integrates with your phone. It has a heart rate sensor which does not work accurately all the time. It gives most accurate results almost 98% of the times, but sometimes it does falter a bit. And it has a gyroscope, accelerometer, compass, as well as barometer for measuring pressure. And it has vibration in terms of notifying you. It can vibrate, and the Android Wear needs more work right now, and the leather band does feel a bit flimsy sometimes, and the screen can be easily turned on by just your flick of the wrist or by your fingers. The all in all, this band is really easy to use. The LG G Watch is really easy to use and packs in good amount of functionality. So this is Aditya Jha from InspiredToRise.com signing off with the LG G Watch here with us.